Afternoon, students. Now our next topic is work done during the expansion. Now we will find out the work done when gas is expanding. Means initially we are enclosing a gas in a cylinder with the wastelet and frictionless this piston. This is piston P, and initially gas has the pressure P1 and volume V1. ठीक है, at the position A, or we are saying that the state A. Then when gas is expanding at any instant, let pressure is P and volume is V, and at any distance dx, when piston will move outside, then pressure is P, same distance, same pressure, but volume will be increase. It will be P plus dV. It means after the state B, when it reaches to point B, then pressure is P2 and volume is V2. Means gas is expanding, its volume is increasing with the pressure. Now we are saying that an any instant when pressure is P and volume is V, and gas will cover or piston will cover the distance dx. If small distance dx is covered, so small volume dw or small work done, small volume dv will be changed or increased, and small work done dw, that will be force into distance. Or now force on this piston will be at any instant. P is the pressure, A is the area of cross section of the piston. So this will be PA, force is equal to P into A into dx. Or this A into dx will be small volume dB. Or we can say that dW is equal to P dV, or total work done will be integration from V1 to V2 P dV. And this is the same situation like we are taking the expansion of gas like this V, here P. We have taken the 2 points A and final point B, where pressure is P2 and volume is V2. Let it be B dash, this is B. And here A point, and like this we have taken the graph ordered that P1, B1 initial state, and here the let situation A dash, here it is O point. Clear? In between we are taking 2 points A and B. Similarly here we have taken A and B, so that let it be B dash, here let it be A dash toward this side, and toward this side A dash and B dash. Now this is the, if we want to calculate the work done in these situations, two steps A and B, then this work done pressure will be A dash is equal to B dash, like this. A dash or B dash, this is the pressure at any instant, let it be P. Clear? Similarly A dash B dash, this is this distance, this will be the small volume dV. Or we can say that dW is equal to, here we have written it is P dV. So this P dV will be A dash into B A dash B dash. Or we can say that A B dash A dash, means this is the area under the strip, area under the PV diagram. We can say that this PV diagram, area in this PV diagram is equal to work done in the expansion of the gas. Clear? Now some results will be there, or some result they are same, that if work done is positive, it means work is done by the system. If work done is negative, it means work done on the system. So next is first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. This states that if we are giving the dQ amount of heat to the system, then this dQ amount of heat will increase its internal energy du, and the rest of the energy, this heat energy, will be used in doing the work dW. Means dQ is equal to du plus dW, and dW we know that this du, that is internal energy, plus dW is P dV. Already we are doing. If expansion of gas is there, then positive. If positive work done is there. If compression of gas is there, then negative work done. clear. Now there are some sign conventions. If heat is gained means system ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ heat ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, gain ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ system ਨੇ, ਜਾਂ system ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ heat add ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, then ਜੇ ਉਹ positive ਹੈ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ heat lost by the system is taken as negative. Means if heat is gained by the system, that is positive. If heat is lost by the system, that is negative. Similarly, if there is increase in internal energy, increase होई है internal energy, clear, then that is taken as positive. If internal energy is decreased, that is taken as negative, clear. Then is specific heat of the gas. Specific heat. Specific heat of the gas means, first of all we will take specific heat at constant volume. It is defined as amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of the gas, 1 gram of gas to 1 degree C. 1 degree C तक उसका temperature increase करना. It is noted by CB. Similarly, specific heat of a gas at constant pressure. ठीक है, it is amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of the gas to 1 degree C when pressure is constant. It is noted by CP. Clear? Similarly, there are molar specific heat. Molar specific heat at constant volume. Clear? At constant volume. This is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas through 1 degree C when when volume is constant. It is noted by capital CV, or we can say that this CV is equal to M into small cb. That's specific heat. This is molar heat. Similarly, molar specific heat at constant pressure. Clear? That is small capital CP. That is equal to the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas through 1 degree C at constant pressure. Or we can say that this CP is equal to M into this small cp. Clear? Now there is one very important question in this. Why CP is greater than CB? CP is greater than CB. Now we are taking, first of all, if volume is kept constant, means volume is constant. If we are giving the amount of heat to the system, its volume will remain the constant. It means if volume remains constant, according to first law, dW is equal to P dV. Or volume is constant, so this term will be 0. So dV is equal to 0, or dW will be 0, or we can say that W is equal to 0. Means gas does not perform any work. Do not perform any work, मतलब no work is done there. कोई work done नहीं होना. ठीक है? So it means heat supplied to the system that will only increase the temperature. Heat given to the system will increase the temperature. Increase the temperature only. It means if temperature means internal energy only, means the given heat has done only one work, that is to increase in the internal energy. Second thing, when pressure is constant. ठीक है, जो pressure constant सीगा, मतलब when that amount of heat supplied to the system, it will increase the internal energy also and it will perform the work also. The मतलब in case of this CP, more heat is required. Means pressure constant है, more heat is required. Pressure is constant but volume can change. Volume तो change हो सकता. ਹੁਣ कितनी amount है? What amount? ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੰਨ ਲਿਆ कि 1 mole of ideal gas ले ली, 1 mole of ideal gas. ठीक, जे ਅਸੀਂ D के amount of heat system ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ तो ਉਹਦਾ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ इंक्रीज हो गया, लेट इट बी अप टू dt चेंज होया। ਇਹਦਾ मतलब dq will be cv dt बिकॉज cv is at constant volume की गल कर रहे हैं। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फ्रॉम फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स dq is equal to du plus p dv। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। नाउ वी नो दैट एट constant volume dv is equal to 0, इट मीन्स p dv 0 है। ओके कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम है, पी डी वी 0 है, पी डी वी भी 0 हो गया। ਇਹਦਾ मतलब ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ वैल्यू पुट की डी क्यू की वैल्यू आ गई डी यू। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। फ्रॉम डी क्यू की वैल्यू ऑलरेडी सानू पता फ्रॉम द डेफिनेशन एंड दिस। ਇਹਦਾ मतलब फ्रॉम 1 एंड 3 डी क्यू इज इक्वल टू सी वी डी टी। ये चीज़ आ गई, डी क्यू की वैल्यू आ गई सी वी डी टी। सो दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर, लेट इट बी ए। Now in case of constant pressure, let amount dq dash is given so that temperature dt is increased। Clear? Now so dcp dt, this is question number 4। ठीक है, dq dash cp dt from the definition, again from the second law of thermodynamics, from the first law of thermodynamics, dq dash will be du plus p dv। This is question number 5। Now we know that pv is equal to rt because here pressure is constant। Clear? pv is equal to rt, pressure is constant, r is also constant, so p dv will be equal to r dt। चेंज की होना फीड देन ना जस्ट टेम्परेचर एंड वॉल्यूम, ये तो चेंज हो सकता। सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर, लेट इट बी 6। Now from 5 and 6, p dv is equal to r dt, dq dash is equal to du plus r dt। वैल्यू पुट करती। Now let this is equation number b। Now from a and b already सानू पता है कि what was the a equation, dq is equal to cv dt। Clear? So put the value of this dq or du, we can say that du is equal to cv dt। Here it is du। So from a and b dq dash that is equal to this cp dt from and 4 cp dt is equal to du means cv dt plus r dt। सारे विच कॉमन की है dt, कैंसिल कर दो। cp is equal to cv plus r or cp minus cv is equal to r। So this is the relation between two heat capacities, that heat capacity or molar heat capacity at constant pressure minus molar heat capacity at constant volume is equal to a constant r। It means cp is greater than cv by r, मतलब cp cv नालों ज़्यादा वड्डी है by r दे नाल। ठीक है। If you will have any problem in this topic, you can call at any time।